So let's go through the HRMS demo, and we would like to cover today recruitment, onboarding, and performance management.
So I'm start with Zoho Recruit. So in Zoho Recruit, we have two versions. One is staffing and another one is corporate. So in staffing version, what are the companies need staffing means? So their major job is hiring for another companies. They use staffing version. So they basically hiring for another companies. Their work is recruitment. So they will use staffing. So what is corporate means? They will hire for their internal company itself. We can use corporate version. Okay.
Yeah.
So staffing having some different kind of pricing. And corporate having some pricing. So this is the staffing version pricing. This is for corporate.
Okay.
So most of the companies will go for corporate. We have 2 or 3 different things we can differentiate in corporate and staffing. I will tell you in the meeting in the next steps itself. So I will go with corporate now. There are two or three differentiation only we can have in staffing. So this is the home dashboard page for Recruit. So here we can see the pipeline here. So what are the active jobs, the count of applicants, what about the interview happening now, then submissions, offer stage, hires who are hired in Zoho Recruit. So this is the pipeline view. So here you can see. So here these are the open positions currently. So here you can see the pipeline. So the screening stage, how the candidates, what are the count in submission, what are the candidates. So currently we have 2 candidates. This is since this is a test account. So in hired we have one candidate, and in RQ we have 2 candidates. Then we can have time to fill jobs. So time to fill basically coming from the target dates. What we have fixing in job openings when posting the job will show in this page, time to fill. So time to hire, this is we assign. This is what the exact output we have. So this is the difference between time to fill and time to hire. Then age of the job. So based on the target dates, the age of the jobs will come. Then offer acceptance rate. This will show the offer acceptance standard rate. Then activity log. Each recruiter's activity will shown here. Then what are the upcoming interviews, open to-dos, then my job openings. So each recruiter will have their own job opening. So this only show my job openings. Then my actions. So in my actions, so currently what are I have as a pendings. So in approval process, what are the steps I have in pendings? And only blueprint means this blueprint part I will take in candidate module. So once this is the page, you have to post the job. So posting title. Then you can choose department name, who is the hiring manager. In Recruit, we have 2 different types of license. One is recruiter license, another one is hiring manager license. So I think
So this target date which we have mentioned, so it means the target is the closure target till
Yes,
which date
they
the
need to
position should
close the positions. Yes.
Yeah, they need to close the position till this date, the target date.
Yes, it's the expected one.
Okay, yeah, got it.
Okay. Then title, hiring manager, recruiters. So the recruiter license is bit high. The hiring manager license is, I think it's low. You can check in the portal. And so the target date is very crucial for time to fill, time to hire, and age of the jobs. All this reports depends on this field. So job opening status, currently it's showing in progress. Once the job fill means it will automatically change as filled. Once the candidate hired means it will automatically change as filled.
Yeah.
So it also depends on number of positions. Yes. Here you can see number of positions. So date open, the full time or part time or contract, and work experience, and address information of the company. Then description, yes, of course, JD, requirements and benefits. Then the attachment of job summary, and others. If you want to add, you can add. So these fields are fully customizable. So these are the basic fields Recruit have. If you want, some of them want more fields. So we have to customize a lot of fields in job opening. But this is the basic one which currently Zoho Recruit have. So also we can have templates. So most of the jobs will reoccur, right? So we can have templates basically for now we let's assume junior developer, senior developer, and the intern. So for this we are constantly hiring means we can keep it as a template. So once we choose the template, all the record skills, all the details will auto-populate. Also, we can edit and resave it. Okay, then also we can publish these jobs to job boards. Currently,
so it is the connection with the Naukri and the LinkedIn?
Yes, we have a LinkedIn, also Naukri, but Naukri we have an integration, but Naukri integration will take, I think, 1 lakh for integration.
Okay, so we have to pay the integration cost,
yes,
and then
for
it
Naukri
will be integrated with. Only for Naukri we have to. Okay.
Only for Naukri. Another Indeed, LinkedIn, or fully free.
Oh, okay.
You can you can see this in job boards. So so you can see job board type paid, sponsor, free. So
if we click on free, so these are all free.
Free job boards. You can first you have to create an account for this job boards, and you can post it from one click from Zoho Recruit to that job boards.
Yeah. Okay.
LinkedIn also it's free only because I integrated with Monster, LinkedIn, Indeed.
So do we have this Zip Recruiter for India?
Recruiter?
Zip Recruiter, which was there as a free. Do we have this in India?
I will check. Spell?
Zip. Z-I-P. Yeah. Zip Recruiter.
Zip Recruiter sponsored is there. Zip Recruiter account.
Second one.
This one?
Yeah.
Yes. Can't we find? Don't make so. Yes. This is not there as a direct integration, but we can able to integrate via XML feed.
Okay, which XML feed?
XML feed means it's kind of customization.
Okay, got it.
We have to give this XML feed to your respective vendor, ZipRecruiter vendor. They will keep it inside the job boards. Once that integration done, we can also able to achieve in one click in Zoho Recruit. It will push to ZipRecruiter account.
Yeah, understood.
Okay, then also we can see here sourcing summary. So once we post the job openings from different type of job boards, we can get candidates, right? So here you can see the application source. So from Naukri, this much of candidates candidates created, and then LinkedIn, this much of candidates created. You can see the full overview here.
The tracking of candidates.
Yes, tracking of candidates.
Okay.
Also, you have candidates' resumes will come from job boards is one side. The another one side you can have a bulk import here. I'll show you next. Before that, job mailbox. So for each job opening, you will get one unique code. Okay, unique mail code. Okay, so in that mail code, once if you want to publish in any of your sites means you can just keep that unique code in your site. In that using that mail ID, once the candidate send a resume to that mail ID, it will automatically gets to an Zoho Recruit platform. They will create it as a new candidate. Also, their resumes passes. So it automatically gets using Zia itself. It automatically gets their first name, last name, email ID, what's the number, what all they have in resume. It will automatically parse it.
Okay.
This is another one feature in Zoho Recruit. Also, this is for individual job opening. Also, we have a common job opening for our company mail, where you can get names, parcel mapping, resume box. So for this we have to integrate our domain. We need to verify that. It's not verified now. Yes, it's not verified. So that page is not showing. Here in resume inbox, once your domain verified, you will get one common mail ID. Once the mail ID, this mail ID is for common. So when the candidates apply for create mail for that to mail address means the candidates all will pull here. So this is the candidate page. So their resumes will in attachments.
Yeah.
So their resumes stored in this attachment field and other fields. We don't want to manually type. It will automatically pass here. So first name, last name, all will read by AI will read in the resume, and it will pass automatically.
Okay.
This is one type of resume parsing. Also, we have import option. So, but if you have existing candidates like 1,000 or 2,000, what is the count? Or it may be count, but there is no limit for that. You can just zip the files and import here. It will automatically import and also get the input details, candidate input details from the resume itself using AI. So it will it may take time, maybe 10 minutes, 15 minutes. It takes some time, but it will automatically read all those points from resumes.
Yeah.
For existing candidate, you can do that.
Okay.
So this is the page. You can create manually candidates. So we need to put first name, last name, mail ID. So these are the basic details already Zoho Recruit have. Also we can customize those fields.
According to our need.
Yes, according to the company. Then, so once the candidate applied to the particular job, or we are going to associate the particular candidate with the job opening, say this candidate, I'll take this candidate, I will associate this candidate with my job opening. As of now, no job opening, I will already associated two applications. Yes, so choice in the stage of human resource title, he was hired, and for finance he was achieved. So here you can see, right? So he was associated for two positions. This is the test only, so don't bother. Human resource, and he is also associated for finance. So for human resource, he was in the status of hired, and for finance, it automatically going to archive.
Yeah.
So this is the status. Here you can see the application status. He is in what stage? Here you can see. So next, interview model. So for such we can schedule an interview here. So add schedule an interview. It will asking for 3 types of interviews: in-person interview, video interview, login interview. So in-person interview means you just want to schedule something, but the meeting or interview will happen in person. So this is the one. And then video interview. So virtual interview, you need this. You need to buy credits actually. For video interview, we need to buy credits in Zoho Recruit. If you don't want that, you have already any meeting account, means you have to embed that link in one field. That field is not automatically will here. We need to customize that. Here you can set the link. So Google Meet link or Microsoft link, anything. So once before the recruiter scheduling an interview, they need to fill these things. So who is the candidate, posting title, from time to time, who is the interviewer. So basically interviewer or hiring managers, or you can choose another anyone also. The location and scheduling commands, assessment name. So if you need any Google Meet or Microsoft Teams link, means we can embed here. Also we have a integration with Google Meet and Microsoft.
Okay.
For that we need to integrate that.
Yeah, customize.
Yes.
Okay.
Then referrals. So we have some job openings. Some of the company wants they need a referral from their internal employees.
Yeah.
Right. So they will give the referral bonus accordingly based upon the job opening posting title. Right. So for this, Zoho Recruit have this page. So the internal employees will refer in this page. Okay, then refer a candidate. Here I can see upload resume, referring a job. So in referring job, now there is nothing posted in career site. If you posted a job opening in career site, means it will show that if you want your internal employees need to be referred for this particular job, means we need to post this in career site. Then only it will show in referring for job.
Yeah, so I have a question here. So as you mentioned, when we post the job, do we need to add any kind of link so that the employees will come to know that there is a position and for which they can refer, or it is a different page?
No, that is I called it as career site. I can't open it now because the domain is not configured.
Okay, no problem. You can say verbally.
I'll show the page. Zoho Recruit. Zoho provides one career site link by default for each Recruit account. This is a step you can create career site. I want to show the screenshot of it, but it's not in the picture.
Okay, so I just want to only understand that when we posting the job on careers, do we need to mention there that this job can be sent as a referral to the candidates, or for that we need to put a different activity, or do we need to include it in the in a step while posting a job?
Yes, while posting a job, there is a step for this referral candidates. You need to post it in career site. In career site, what they will do is they will create your own link for your Recruit account. So that link, whatever you are posting in that career site, only the employees can also see. Also, that link you can post it in your website. So you will not need to post for Recruit and job boards, and another one time you need not need to for website for separate. So once the career site you have embedded with your website means it also posted in your website also. So this is the purpose of career site.
Understood.
This is for both career site and referrals.
It will automatically integrated, right?
Yes.
Okay.
So other than that, we have vendor model. So for some companies, their internal hiring also, they will have some vendors. So we can create here vendor's name, email ID. So they will intimate about this vendor portal. Then in vendor portal, they will able to see what are the job openings allocated for them.
Okay.
This is the vendor portal. This is also not opening because the domain is not configured. So in vendor portal also they can see. Yes, once the domain is configured, we can able to open all these. This is the modules the vendor can able to see. Candidates and job openings. The job openings we have to set here. So once the job opening published, also we need to assign the vendor for them, correct? So shared vendor. Here there is no active vendor, but this is the way. You have to click here, and you can share the particular job to the particular vendor. So they will attach the resumes in their portal itself. So they have a portal like this. So they can only see their job openings and candidate model. There is only 2 modules for the vendor portal. The other modules will not able to see by the vendor. Okay? So they can able to see in two modules. One is job onboarding, another one is candidates. Yes, this is how the page will show. Total candidates submitted. Click if they click this icon, it will show the assigned job openings. Here in this icon, they can see the candidates data. This is the dashboard of the vendors page.
Yeah, where they can see what position they have.
Yes.
Yeah, they can recruit.
Then vendor portal, and also we have in Recruit by default candidate portal also there. If you want to if you want to invite a candidate for a candidate portal, means we can able to do that in Zoho Recruit. Candidate pool vendor portal is a cost. By default 10 is the count. By default for each Recruit account you can get 10 vendor portals for free. For other add-ons there is some pricing. For candidate portal it's fully free. So for this you have to choose a candidate, and here you can invite the candidate for portal. But not now, it's configured, so it's not showing. Here you can see invite candidate portal. Once the candidate portal configured. The another features. Yes, so if you have any existing tool of Zoho for recruitment, means we can migrate the data using data migration. Then we have a data backup, storage, recycle bin. Then we do have a SMS gateway, mobile apps. For this we need if you wanna integrate SMS gateway, means you first we have to purchase the SMS vendor like SMS Magic.
Instant. Okay.
This role needs some costing actually.
Okay.
These pages are overall. Also, we can generate offer letter in candidate. So blueprint, I'll show now. So here you can enable blueprint. So by default, Zoho Recruit have some default blueprints. If you want to customize, means yes, we can customize. So this is one of the process. So based upon the company process, we need to set that. So once the candidate associated, they need to be moved for any further status. So here move to another status or no show. Then next, screening in progress. So once the resume is shortlisted, screening in progress. So once the resume accepted, screening in progress, and going to personal interview. So first level interview. Here actually the one point is missing. Once the screening completed, the next move is submission of hiring manager. So submission of hiring manager. So once the manager accepted the candidate, then it will go for move to interview. First stage of interview, second stage, third stage, and then HR interview. Once the HR negotiation and other things completed, we can trigger offer. So generate offer here. So once the salary discussion in these process are completed, then we can generate an offer. Then once the offer made, the candidate will have two options: offer accept or offer reject. The recruiter have withdraw offer. So once the candidate accepted, next the candidate will move to hired. Then the candidate hired means then he was pushing for onboarding. So this is the blueprint. This blueprint will show here. He was secured, so blueprint is not enabled. In this space, once the blueprint configured, it will show what is the next process. We have only two. If the interview to be scheduled means we have only one option: a level 1 interview schedule. Once the level 1 interview schedule means we have three options: selected, rejected, or move to junk. So these are the process-oriented persons. Process-oriented company requires blueprint. Okay, because blueprint is strict to we can't skip the stages. We need to proceed stage by stage. So for the particular process companies, we may use blueprints. This is one of the process. Then my to-dos. So what are my pendings listed in to-dos? Also I can assign a task here. Any events or any calls I need to schedule, I can schedule here. Then offers. The offers generated candidates will show here. So once the candidate hired, they will automatically go to Zoho people. It's also an integration, but it's a direct integration. There is no need of customization and all. It's just a on disable and enable thing.
Okay.
So recruit is clear. Can I go for Zoho people?
Yes.
Okay.
Zoho people, you mean onboarding, right?
Yes, onboarding.
Okay. So here I would like to understand how Zoho HRMS helps with collecting the documents, because here is now the next step is documentation, right?
Yes, the next step is the document collection, onboarding.
Yeah.
So Zoho people, look and feel. This is Zoho people. So the dashboard for all the new hires, birthday, favorites, announcements, my leave report, my upcoming holidays, my pending tasks, my files. So this is the sample page. So so once the candidate hired, they will automatically push to Zoho people for onboarding. So the recruit starts from job opening to the candidate hire stage. So from hire stage, moving to Zoho people. So in Zoho people, once the candidate hired, we need to collect all these attachments, right? So the attachments, the full details of the candidate, we can get here.
Can you just go back to the previous page? I just want to see.
This one.
Previous one where there were the
So
fields.
this is candidate detail.
Yeah.
Then
Just
professional details.
Yeah.
Current address, permanent address, education detail, professional details, training and certification, gaps or breaks in education or career, professional reference, document submission, and reference details.
Bank details, right?
Yes.
Okay.
Language processing. So these are the subtitles. So as you can see, document submission is part of onboarding.
Yeah.
So once the candidate hired, they need to fill this onboarding form. So this email will, this intimation will come to their email ID. So they have to fill all these details. Zoho people will generate one portal kind of thing for the candidate for this onboarding itself. So once they fill all the details, it will automatically completed the candidate onboarding. Also, we can in candidate onboarding we can so any document signing or they need to accept anything like NDA or some of them don't have Recruit because Recruit is a bit costly. So for small
Subhita, your voice is breaking.
Can I switch off the video?
Yes, please.
Now?
Yeah.
So there okay. Zoho Recruit it's little costly. So some small medium companies or medium sized companies will only purchase Zoho people. Okay. So how they will provide the offer letter means we can use this onboarding model. Okay. So they will also collect candidate details in the same flow. They will also collect. They will also provide offer letter. So here you can see, right, document and policies. Here we need to configure what are the documents they need to accept or decline or they need to sign. For digital signature, we need the Zoho sign or just acknowledgement or acceptance. We can use Zoho people itself. So this configuration we need to fix. So once the client comes, we need to first analyze their onboarding process. Then only we need to then be able to implement their process in this onboarding module. Okay. So this is candidate onboarding. Then once the candidate joining, then he will move to employee onboarding. Some of the questions we will not ask before joining. So for example, their account details, the statutory details, then the insurance details. So these flows will engaged in employee onboarding. Okay. So in employee onboarding, you can see the profile and form. So here they need to what are the details they already given candidate. It will automatically populate in employee form also. But some of the employee details will not. I already told you it's not before joining we can't get it. So after joining, some of the things they need to update. So then document and policies, they in most of the companies in employee onboarding itself, they have NDA, then company policies, then insurance policy kind of things. They will have this in this flow, document and policies in employee onboarding. So then they can able to see their team, teammates here.
Okay, so here I have a question. So
Yes.
welcome on board, it means a person has to do when the candidate
The
is
first day
joining the
of joining.
organization. Yeah. So it is his profile where he has to update his the details like his employee ID and other things, right?
Yes.
And the document. Okay. Yeah. Sorry, please go ahead.
This flow, when applicable, is after joining. So the first day of joining or second day of joining. They need to accept some documents. They can see their teammates, means we have to enable this. Then objectives means they can, based on their designation or department, they can able to see here their goals and KRS. If we enable this option. Okay. Then company information, company website URL, we can give here. Then trainings. Some companies will provide some training for some specific designations. So also we can enable this here. So they will, once they join, they will automatically enrolled in their in particular trainings.
So
Then
the employee
you
goals,
are asking me
yeah,
for
Shubhita,
checklist,
just
right?
one thing. Yeah, the employee goals and all are set here only in Zoho people. That's what you're saying,
Correct.
right?
Correct.
Okay. So it can be
I
set
will
by
show
the
you
manager.
I will show you in PMS module.
Okay.
This data will came from PMS module. I'll
Okay.
show the step by step.
Okay. Got it.
Okay. Then training, then checklist. You are also asking me for the task allocation, right? Checklist. Before, once the employee or candidate joining, means the HR or admin or IT team have some kind of task they need to perform, right?
Yeah.
So these tasks will created by here. So for employee, for candidate onboarding, we have some kind of tasks like some of them will have the background verification and some process in candidate onboarding itself. So once the candidate fill up all their details and documents submitted, they will initiate the BGV progress. So that's automatically we need to set here. Okay, in candidate onboarding also we have checklist. So we can create here, add a new checklist for who is going to be initiate this BGV progress, means we need to add that task as a task
Name.
owner is the BGV who is going to initiate.
Yeah.
So we can configure all this here. So in when it comes to employee onboarding, we have a task like we need to provide him or her to email ID, the laptop, then the desk allocation, the buddy allocation. So some of the these things will come under employee onboarding checklist. For HR, admin. Yes.
So is there anything when we're doing the onboarding here, is there any integration with the IT part as well, where he going to mention the assets which has been given to him?
This is need not to integrate. This will create like a task. So Nazia is the IT person now. Okay. Assume that. So Subhita is joining. So Nazia will get one task create for Nazia's account. It will create one task like Subhita is joined in some other positions. So please allocate these things.
Okay.
So you need to perform this, and then once you perform all this, you have to update the status of the task. Yes, it's completed. ID given, buddy allocated, desk allocated, ID code yes allocated.
Got
So
it.
one by one, you need to checklist.
Subhita, so asset tracking cannot be done in this module, right? Asset tracking is in some other module.
Asset also, yes. Admin team, they need to provide. Right?
Yeah.
Yes.
So they have
asset
to track how
allocation
many
is
employees
also
are
a
joining.
task.
Okay,
Correct,
you can do
correct.
the asset tracking also here.
Yes.
Okay, got it. So asset tracking and who the employees are joining, whatever laptops and other things are given to them, everything is here. Okay, and admin will be able to access all of this, right?
Correct. But asset tracking by default, there is no module for asset tracking. They have only actually one form itself. we need to customize that. Asset tracking is not by inbuilt. Zoho people don't have any asset tracking, but most of the companies will asking for asset tracking.
Yes.
For that, we need to create a custom module.
Oh,
we can customize.
Yeah,
yes, definitely we can customize.
Got
okay.
So that is also part of onboarding. So once onboarding finished, they will in organization. Yes, this is the employee master. So here you can see employee, disabled employees, inactive employees, all the employees will here. So before going to that master, we have two types of license in Zoho people. One is non-user license, one is user license. So for non-user license, the cost is low. We can say in professional version, in Zoho people we have 4 versions: basic, professional, premium, and enterprise. So in basic version, the users, I'll show you the page also. So this is the pricing page. So essential HR basic version, this is the 48 rupees per user. For non-users, we have, it's not actually mentioned. For non-users, it's minimal only. Actually, it's not mentioned in website. I could say for non-users, for users 48 rupees means for non-users it's only 10 rupees or 15 rupees only. Okay?
Yeah. So when you were going down, I just saw something like time off and the leave management and all of it.
Yes.
So all this is there in Zoho people, right?
Correct.
Yeah, so just confirming, so time management, leave management, some ESS portals like for the employee, is that also there?
Yes, of course.
Okay.
I'll come to the next. Okay, so in Essential HR, you have onboarding and leave tracker itself. In professional, you have extra attendance. Onboarding, leave, and attendance. In premium, you have onboarding, leave, attendance, and PMS. Performance management system.
So
in
enterprise,
in enterprise you have LMS, learning management system, and cases. Help desk, HR help desk.
Okay, got it.
So this is the breakup. Yeah.
So it means like what you get in a zero, like it depends on the pricing. What will be
zero free version is for startup companies with 5 employees and only have leave management and onboarding.
Yeah, and then the count, the minimum users and what access they will get, right?
Correct.
Okay. And you haven't, like in the previous module also when we were discussing anything on reports and analytics, as in getting the reports and all of it?
Yes, of course. In Zoho people we have a lot of reports by default. So this is the reports for employee information, then leave tracker, then attendance tracker, then time tracker, then performance management, then LMS, then cases and files.
Okay, so this is in the plan, specific plans, whichever you take, you get reports.
Correct. For professional HR, you have only this only. Then in second version, you have this.
Okay.
Attendance and time tracker. Then in third version, you have this. Fourth version, you have this.
Okay.
Got it. Depending on which
plan you said.
Yes. So once I will talk about the next one is user and non-user profiles. So user will get the same profile like what we have now seen, right? The same way the users also can able to apply their leaves, can able to see their attendance, can able to post their thoughts, can able to score their performance, self appraisal, can able to take an LMS courses. These are all kind of user portal activities, right? So the user will get. The non-user, what they get, they will not have this portal. So basically, non-users, we can assume who all they buy means blue collars. So for manufacturing sector, the employees, blue collars, they don't need this portal, right? Their data need to be fetched in the portal, but some of them will have the I can say housekeeping and the tailors, that kind of employees. The attendance we can track from the biometric. So in Zoho people, we can integrate biometric by default. The integration is there. So once the biometric integrated with Zoho people, the attendance will automatically fetched. Okay, so the attendance will came
Which
from
other devices?
Whichever devices, ESSL, types of feeds, actually MySQL, also API cloud attendance is possible.
Okay.
I think most of the biometric is possible. Okay, then so these non-users will get the attendance from biometric, and they will not able to apply the leaves in, like users can apply in the portal, but the non-users will ask this for with their reporting manager. So the reporting manager, they would need this portal, user portal. Instead of the non-users, the reporting manager will apply the leaves. This is how it will work for non-users.
Understood.
So for PMS and LMS, they will not applicable.
Non-users.
Yes. So most preferably the companies will take for the housekeepings and then blue collars employees, they will take non-users only. So next, the organization form have all the employee
Hello.
Subhita, your voice is breaking.
Yeah.
Okay. No?
Yeah. Subhita, your voice was, it's cracking in between.
Okay. So this is the dashboard of employee information. So here you have addition trend, attrition trend, top 10 designation, top 10 departments, locations, age-wise, gender-wise, experience-wise. You can have filters. Okay. Then department master, designation master. Here you this is the page you have to add the designation master. Then groups and delegation. So delegation is basically reassigning the approvals from one employee to another employee with a specific time frame. If the manager is leaving for abroad 1 month means, so they will delegate to another reporting manager, right? For that kind of thing, you can use delegation here. Then after onboarding an employee master, we will move to leave tracker. So here you can see, so leave tracker, I'll just show an employee's leave tracker. So this is how the page will look like. So based on the company policies, we have to first set the company leave policies based on their entitlement, frequency, then reset policy, then encashment, carry forward policy. We need to set all those things in settings, leave policies. Then only it shows the employee for their particular applicable leaves they can able to see, and they can able to see their counts as well. So
What
they
is
can
that
able to apply the
PTO
leave.
US?
Okay.
PTO.
This is a test account, so someone puts like this, I think.
PTO
I
substitution.
think for US policy they have configured this.
Okay.
I don't know what is this. This is a
Okay.
sample account, so everyone just play and put like this.
Work from home. Yeah, got it. This is for, I guess, US, not for India.
Yes. So basically, casual leaves, comp off, earned leave, then maternity leave, paternity leave, sabbatical leave, privilege leave, earned leave. These are the types mostly the companies will want to customize, right?
Yeah.
Based on their policy, we need to configure all this. So once we configure, the user will see their applicable leaves and their applicable counts.
Yeah.
Also, they can able to apply their leaves here.
Okay. So apply leave. Okay.
So also we can customize based on the user basis. We can also customize the leave policy. Also, we have a comp off policy. So comp off is basically once they work for a weekend or holiday, automatically the attendance will take into comp off. So they need to purchase this comp off within an duration, right? Basically, the company policies maybe 1 week or 2 week they have some expiry date for this comp off. So this is also possible. So also we can manually the entertainment will create a policy structured leave balance to them. Also, we can able to manually correct the leave balance if it is not encountered in the system. We will manually put that in system. Says he's already earned 5. It's not updated in the system. We can manually change it. And we also have the history of that view history. So what is the entitlement, what is manually changed, what are their applied for the leave, we can see the history here. So this is about leave, and we can have, end of the day, all we need is report. So all kind of reports here. So daily leave status, resource availability, employee leave balance, leave booked and balance, leave type was summary, leave encashment details, loss of pay details, loss of data for payroll. So for payroll, we have Zoho payroll integration from Zoho people. Also we have Great HR integration. So this is
Great HR integration for what? Payroll?
Payroll, yeah.
Great is one of payroll.
Yeah. Okay.
So as such, you all don't have, it doesn't have a payroll module. It will be integrated with Great HR. That's what?
No. Zoho has Zoho payroll product.
So what
Zoho
are you saying
payroll
about
is one of the product.
Correct. So what are you saying HR integration will be with?
HR?
No. So you said Great HR, right? Great HR integration.
I said the possibility of payroll applications. Zoho payroll is by default possible. Great HR integration also possible.
Okay.
Yeah, some of them already used Great HR means we can also integrate Zoho people with their Great HR.
Okay, so for example, if a company having their own payroll, we can integrate that with Zoho payroll as well.
Yes, it's possible. If the own integration, what you're saying, the payroll system has the API means it's possible. If the application has the API means, so people or payroll will push the data to their internal system.
Yeah, I got it. So integration is possible.
Yes.
Okay.
Then attendance tracking. So here you can see the attendance. So In attendance, we have 5 types of attendance. So one is, I already said, biometric integration. It will automatically push the biometric data to system. The second one is web check-in. So web check-in, it will enable one button here. So I can check in and check out here. The mobile check-in also same. The Zoho people recruit all Zoho products will download from Play Store. So Zoho people, once we downloaded, they can able to check in. We need to first sign in our account, and they can able to check in from their mobile itself. Okay, for street and feet employees, mostly they will use the mobile check-in. So on-site employees, that kind of employees will use mobile check-in. The office in employees will use the biometric integration.
Okay, so do we have check-in and check-out both, or just check-in?
I can't understand. Once again.
Check-in is when you start your day, that's the check-in, right?
Correct.
And is it
once you
check-out
log
as well?
out, check out.
Yeah. Okay.
Correct. So in attendance, we have 2 policy. First check-in, last check-out, or every valid check-in, check-out. So in biometric, some of the employees have, some of the companies have the policy like they will only calculate their first in and last check-out. But in some companies, they will calculate every valid check-in, check-out. So let's say the employee comes at 9 and he was out at 12 for lunch. Then he will come back at 1 and he will again check out by 6. So it will calculate like 9 to 1 is 4 hours and 2 to 6 is 4 hours. So 8 hours only. First, but if we configure like first in and last out means it will take 9 to 6. So 9 hours.
Got it.
Difference? Can you able to understand?
Yes.
Yes. So these 2 types of attendance policy we can configure. Then strict mode, lenient mode. These are the type of settings we need to choose first. So then overtime policies. So if they are working overtime, we need some companies will provide overtime allowance, right? So for this we have to configure this overtime policy. Then check-in, check-out policies. Is it enabled for web and mobile? If some companies did not need this web and mobile means they will just disable this. Then facial recognition for web and mobile needed means we have to enable this. Then location wise, also we have geo tracking. Automation, yes. We have geo tracking. So if the company don't have any biometric, but they have to forcefully calculate their attendance, they will provide the web check-in, okay, or mobile check-in. But they want to track once the employee comes to the particular area or particular their surrounding office company area means they have to first tag that range here. So this is my company means I have to pinpoint this location for geolocation on. So once I locate particular this geo location means they will not allow outside of this location using web check-in or mobile check-in. Understand? They will
Yes,
only
Subhika.
allowed within that geo range. So this is called geo restriction.
Restriction.
Then IP restriction. So IP restriction is basically the company will provide the Wi-Fi, so that Wi-Fi will have some from to range. Okay. So once we configure that, apart from the company IP range, any other they have used their mobile data or anything else, it will not allow. Allowed to check in or
Okay.
check out.
Okay. It will not be counted in the hours and the check-in
Yes.
system. Okay, got it.
Not only counted in hours, they will not able to check in. It's restricted.
Correct. It's Understood.
Okay.
Understood.
Then regularization. So if they forget to check in or check out, means they can able to regularize, means yes, there's a possibility for regularization. If we don't want this, we can disable this. Then on duty. So on duty in the sense, so the employee working for our company in another place, it's a client location or anything. So they will perform this on duty in that time. Then hourly permission, integration, then break, then pay period settings. So my pay period setting, based on the company, we have to set this. Then only the overtime, comp of all this will, all this properly working. Once the pay period setting is setted as proper, means it will also came to reality, right?
Yeah, basically it reflects.
So we need to first correct. So then reports, then FTP plugin. This is for also the attendance data, right? These are the settings we can provide. Yes, also we can grace period. Grace period is in most of the manufacturing sector. They need what to say. So first in late by 3 times or 4 times, they will have some penalty for this. So they will set like this. So yes, grace period policy. So the first check-in is late by 10 minutes, means they need to deviate their number of times occurrences into deducting the balance. From we have to set that some companies will asking for they are directly pushed into absent. Some companies will require they need to first deduct from the leave balance. So if they have a casual or privilege leave, means it will deduct based on the late timings or core working less by this much of time. So we can set this policy is mostly the companies used manufacturing, then hospital industries, then school. These kind of industries prefer this grace period policy. This is also possible in Zoho people. It will automatically deduct your balance, or it will make it as absent. Understand, Nazira? Am I clear?
Yeah. Yes.
Okay. Then attendance is completed. So this time tracker mostly used for IT companies. So they have a set of clients. Under the clients, they have a set of projects. So one client is associated with many projects, maybe. So based upon the projects, they will allocate the jobs, right? The reporting manager or the project manager will allocate the jobs. So the jobs allocated, the employees will need to log their timings for each job, right? Then only the cost of the work will accomplished. So the company can able to calculate it, correct?
Yeah.
So some companies will do this time tracker effectively for mostly it was used by IT companies.
For the projects.
Yeah, then the automatic timesheet 1 week or 1 month automatic timesheet automatically submitted to the reporting manager. Then the reporting manager will accept or they will ask for some proof. These kind of works we can done here in time tracker. Okay. So invoice also generated from time logs to time sheets, and invoice itself we can generate in Zoho people. Based on the clients, projects, we can able to see here. here. So for some sample project, so this is the dashboard of that project, what is going on. So build versus actual loss, estimated versus log hours. So this kind of dashboard we can get from this Zoho People time tracker model. Then PMS model. So you are asking me for how to add the goals, right?
Yeah, so I want to understand
Yes.
how the company, how the employee goals are set in HRMS.
Yes. So here is a place we need to first define. We need to define the company policy. Some of them will have KRA. Some of them will have competency. Some of them will have KRA versus goals and competency in both. Both parameters they have. Some of them will only have goals and competency itself. Some of them will have KRA and competency itself. The type of performance taking. Okay, I will take you to this page. Yes, so this is the page. First, we need to figure out the company what they are using. These are the type of performance management we can manage in Zoho People. Okay, so some of them will use only KRA based appraisal. Some of them will have KRA and goals both. Some of them will have KRA versus goals. Some of them have KRA versus goal and competency combination. So the skill set and feedback are not for appraisal cycle. It is used commonly for performance evaluation. Okay. The summary also it's a descriptive one. It's not a rating thing. The rating thing here is KRA goals, KRA and goals, KRA versus goal, and competency.
And
These
this is
things are
customized as per the
Yes,
company.
Correct, exactly. First, we need to figure out what combination the company requires. First, we need to figure out. Then only we can able to proceed with the next thing. First, we need to figure out if they need this or not need this. First, we need to choose this. Then only
Understood.
we get this page. So now I am enabled KRA goals and skill sets, not competency. So it's not showing me. So in KRA, what is the meaning is key result area. So let's say Zoho developer. Okay, Zoho developer, what is going to be their key criteria? So they need to implement the Zoho to recruit, then the customization, integration. These are all their key result areas. In that, yes.
Your voice is breaking. Can you just repeat?
Okay. Let's say a Zoho developer role. Okay.
Yeah.
So Zoho developer role is basically Zoho CRM implementation is one of the KRA. Zoho People implementation, one of the KRA. Integration task, one of the KRA. Then customization is one of the KRA. Let's assume that. This is a long term when I'm in the position of Zoho developer means this is all going to be my KRS. Okay. Then goals. In KRA versus goals, Zoho People under Zoho People implementation KRA, I have client 1, client 2, client 3 Zoho People implementation. Okay. Company A Zoho People implementation, company B Zoho People implementation, company C enterprise version Zoho People implementation. These are my goals. So
one second. Your page is loading, I guess. Prerna, is it visible to you or it is showing loading?
Yeah,
no,
it's still
it's actually
loading.
blank. It's
Okay,
actually
so-
blank.
Okay.
Can you see my KRA page?
Not
Display
yet.
in KRA? Nothing.
Yeah, now
Yeah.
we can see.
Yeah. stop sharing and do it again. Now, is my screen visible?
Yes.
So KRA is basically a long term. When you are in the senior developer position, you have this KRAs by default. The goals is short term. Okay, short term in the sense, so it having some period. This is the start date. This is the end date. This is having some duration. Correct? Goals are having some duration. But KRAs are not having any duration. Based on the designation, it will come to the end. If you are taking your designation as manager means, then you will get a different type of KRAs, right?
Yeah.
So
depending on the position.
Yes. Depending on the position, KRA will differ.
Yeah. So that will be defined by the manager, right?
Correct. In some companies, the manager will define the KRAs, or in some companies they are give it this details to the employee itself. They will define their goals.
Okay. The employees will define their own goals.
Yes.
Okay.
So this is the page. You have to export and import these KRAs and goals. Once you import it here, in user specific operation, the employee will see their own goals and KRAs.
Yeah. Once we import.
So this correct. So this is my page. I can see my KRAs, skill set, any of the employee or management giving the feedback means I can able to see here. So the summary page is the reporting manager will describe me in Zoho people means it will show here. The summary page is for that. The reporting manager will give the feedback. Then the review history. If I have a appraisal previous year and we have a history means it will show.
So it is basically everything here is customized or integrated, right?
No. These are all defaults.
Okay.
These are all defaults.
Because the sample test or these are blank, that's the reason.
Which one?
These pages are blank, which you are showing. So that is the reason I'm saying
this
where
is the
we have to import.
Account. Correct.
Yeah, I got
it. This is a sample account. I don't have any data.
Yes, we got it. We already have this. Yes, understood.
So, how do I start my appraisal cycle? I will show. So this is the appraisal setting page. So the first add their appraisal cycle here. So here you have self-appraisal, manager review, and multi-rater review.
The screen.
So self-appraisal.
Actually, the screen wasn't moving.
Is
it's moving.
Rate self-appraisal, yearly appraisal. Yeah, please go ahead.
Yes. So self-appraisal basically, so the employee will rate themselves, right? So they'll rate each KRA for themselves, and they will also comment their proof for that. Then the manager will review it, and they will give some scores for that. So Zoho people implementation, Subhita is yes, she was done in many projects, so I'll give 10 out of 10. So Zoho Recruit this much of scoring. So they will give appraisal in ratings the manager will give, right? Then based upon the rating, the hike procedure will initiate. So these are all we can done here. Apply. I apply this. So here we have to give the appraisal name, and then the guidance document, then applicability, who are all going to be this part of appraisal cycle, then self-appraisal, quantitative parameters, qualitative parameters, Then manager review in which parameter they are going to give the score. Then rating settings. Then salary settings. Then publish configuration. Once the full appraisal cycle completed, they need to know their ratings, right? Each rating. So publish settings and then appraisal letters. Then period configuration. This is the overall setting page for appraisal.
Yeah.
So once the employee first they will get a notification about their self appraisal, then they will rate. Then it will going forward to the reporting manager. They'll also rate. Then also we can customize here multi-level approvals. Some of them will require 2 level of appraisal ratings. So one is reporting manager, another one is functional head in some IT companies. So some of them will have their management as the last appraiser. So they need to provide their ratings and then they will provide a hike accordingly. So these all can be done in PMS. Then LMS. So in LMS we have 3 types of learning here. One is self-paced learning, blended learning and e-material. So self-paced learning is basically the learner...
Sudhita, where is self?
Yes.
Screen is not moving, Sudhita, for some reason. Yeah, now it's come.
Okay.
Now it's come. Yeah.
Okay. So
Okay,
in self-paced learning, the employee themselves, they need to study. So this is self-paced learning. Then the blended learning, the organization will allocate some trainers and sessions for the particular training, for the particular course means it's called blended learning. Then it's a combination of both self and trainer based learning is blended learning. Then e-material itself, it's just a knowledge transfer. If we have any guide or if we have any good materials to study means we can share it in e-materials. Okay, the both self and blended learnings are counted. So e-material is just for knowledge sharing. These things validated by assignments or tests, they can validate. Okay, so this is the page I created for blended learning. So in modules we can put files, links, assignments, offline tests. In offline test we can give marks. In online test we can create a question bank and questions and randomization, all of them are possible. In content we have to give some content, then score them. These are all possible. Then HTML, if you want to use, you can use. Then this is, so in the final we can get a report here. Who are all joined for this particular course and what is the status of them, what are the marks they have scoring. Then also in sessions we can able to track their attendance also, if they are attending or not. Click on this you can see this. Yeah, he is reading this material. Analytics, it will show the overall of this employee. Then grades, if you conduct any test means it will show the grades. Also the feedback, the trainer will provide the feedback against the learner, correct? So it will show here.
Okay.
These are the things we can do in LMS. Then to HR help desk. HR help desk is basically for compliant. The new employee have a lot of questions, right? How do I collect my pay slip, or I want to collect my laptop, it's not it, they have it. So these type of questions we can raise here. So the particular agent we have to first associate the categories with the particular agent. We need to configure in backend. then only the employee raises, it will automatically come to the particular agent, then the SLA will start. So the SLA configuration is also possible. So they need to reach out to the particular query within this much of time we can able to configure. So once the case solved with the person needs, it will we need to change, the employee need to change it as completed. This kind of progress also we can have in cases management. Also we can able to host a survey, employee engagement. So most of the companies will have a kind of surveys like 15-day survey, 30-day survey, then 3-month survey for employee engagement, right? How is going, how is your manager, kind of the questions they have. Do you understand your role? Did you like this place? This kind of questions most of the companies will ask regularly. So for this, they have a survey module. We can create your own, create our own questions and host it here. Then also we have separation model. So from onboarding to offboarding, employee lifecycle. So from onboarding to offboarding, possible in Zoho people. So offboarding, we do have a clearance form, exit interview. So the employee or reporting manager will raise the resignation. Then it will go for the next level HR and management. Once they accept, they need to provide the date of resignation. Then the employee need to provide their clearance and exit interview. All those are possible. Okay.
Okay.
And also we have small modules like files management. Post a file like company files. If the company policy updated means we can able to host here. The employees applicable for that particular company policy, they need to acknowledge for that file means we can able to host here. Also the personal upload, in personal uploads, the employee able to upload their files within the limit. We have to set that limit. So within a limit, they have to they can able to upload a file. So this is one small module.
Yeah.
In tasks, okay. Right? I told you the checklist.
Yes.
So this is the page. They will get a notification here. These are all your open tasks. Once they completed, they will tick. These tasks are completed.
Okay. So these are the like in PMS, in performance management. That's all what we have, right?
Yes.